Together we rise, we shine like the stars. When we unite, the dream is too far. With hope in our hearts, we light up the skies. Together, together we rise. Through every storm, we still be strong. With voices joined, we sing our song. The earth, the sea, the air, we show the world we care. A future that we all can share. Oh, the world is waiting for the change we're creating. Hand in hand we are the key to a future bright and free. Together we rise, we shine like the stars. When we unite, the dream is too far. With hope in our hearts, we light up the skies. Together, together we rise. When we believe we can achieve a world where love will never leave, we'll climb the highest peak, stronger than we ever dreamed. Together we rise, we shine like the stars.
I've been believing in each and every one of you. For the past 18 years, ako po'y naniniwala na marami pa tayong buhay na mababago.
I keep you close to me, you're like the burning sun, shining bright, 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 and you power me with love. I feel your energy flowing through my veins, and you fight, fight, fight every battle that I face. Oh, I'll never, never, never let you go. You're all I need when I'm weak.
Ito yung pinaka-greatest battle sa buhay ko ay yung nagkaroon po tayo ng sakit na chronic kidney failure. Nasa hospital ako that time. Humahataw pa din ako. Nakaani pa din ako ng training. Kasi yun yung nagpa-survive sa akin.
Importante dito dapat punong-puno ka ng tiwala sa sarili. Ang pagyaman po kasi wala po yan sa itsura. Wala yan sa kung anong pinag-aaralan. Tama ba? Ang pagyaman nandito po kung alam mo sarili mo, yayaman ka. Yayaman ka, naniniwala ka ba?
I know you will make me stronger, stronger when I'm weak.
Every time I achieve a goal, I always ask myself, what's next? Para magkaroon ka ng another level ng goal mo. Walang atrasan. Your yes must be a yes. There's no turning back. Walang reservation. Yung hataw talaga na patay kung patay. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Sigurado, tutulo tayong lahat.
Stronger.
I grew up in AIM Global. I shared my own father with each and every one of you that is here tonight. I saw how he believed in you, just like a father believes in his child.
Sino gusto manalo ng Sabilyo?
Zero.
Ay, Merto! Ngayong kamay, SUV!
Shota Masura!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are not only here in this company to enrich ourselves. Because the truth is,
service to others lead to greatness.
Kapag naniwala ka, the next B will come. Ang breakthrough, walang pinipili. Ano man ang kulay ng balak mo, saan ka man galing, ang breakthrough, samahan mo ng bilis. Etong taong to ng 2024,